When we do the peer review, the NH and MRC require it to be between half a page and 2 pages in length and to address certain criteria. It can simply be a written statement from your chosen expert, but we've tried to simplify the process for you, and so online we've got a form which has all of the categories that the NH and MRC says need to be addressed in a peer review. And so your peer reviewer can put comments against each of those categories, sign it, and that's it. Makes the process really straightforward. And it's just a one-pager then that they're doing. What we can also accept in place of a peer review is when you do your probationary seminar. So for example, in most faculties, we have this seminar that a higher degree student has to present before they become a full candidate in their PhD or Doctor of Science or whatever it is that they're doing. And so at this review, there'll be multiple people who are experts in the area who write a review, and then the student has to respond to those reviews, and then the Dean of Graduate Studies signs off on this to say, yes, the student has successfully answered all of those queries and they're now a full candidate. So that process, showing evidence that you've gone through that, counts as a peer review also. Another thing that counts as a peer review is when you've gone for a competitive grant, but it depends a little bit on the nature of that competitive grant. If you've gone for an ARC grant for something, for example, then experts have reviewed your grant proposal and that peer review requirement of expert review is satisfied. But some of the internal competitive grants that people go for, really, you've got a bunch of people who aren't necessarily experts who are on the review panel, and they're looking for good projects, but they're not necessarily providing expert review. And so we then need to judge, is that the same, or whether you need to go out and actually get a proper peer review from some expert in the area.